This is it. The Python series is complete. 72 episodes, published one at a time, starting from absolute zero. No shortcuts, no skip topics, nothing left half explained. If you have been here since episode 1, thank you, genuinely. If you just found this series, everything is still here in order, for free. This video is not a new topic. It is the wrap-up, what we covered, what happens next, and a question for you. Let's close this out properly. Let's start with the numbers. 72 episodes across 9 categories. Foundations, data structures, file handling, object-oriented programming, advanced Python, testing, practical real-world Python, web and automation. And finally, a full Capstone project that used every single one of them together. That is not a highlight reel. That is a complete working curriculum. Every episode built on the one before it. Nothing here was random. Here is the map of everything we walked through. Foundations, data structures, and OP, where it all began. Variables, strings, conditionals, loops, and functions. Lists, dictionaries, tuples, and sets, the containers you use every single day. File handling and modules, reading, writing, and organizing real code. Then object-oriented programming, classes, self, inheritance. And the dunder methods that make a class actually feel like a native Python type. If you only watch this block, you already write better Python than most beginners. Then we went deep. Advanced Python, and the topics almost every course skips. Decorators, generators, async and await, context managers, each one twice. Once as an introduction, once as a full deep dive. Metaclasses, descriptors, type hints, data classes, protocols. Then the topics that quietly show up in every real codebase. Closures, comprehensions, itertools, collections, logging, pathlib, concurrency. These are the episodes that separate I know Python from I can read any Python codebase. Then practical Python, the skills that actually ship products. Regex, web scraping with Beautiful Soup and Selenium, SQLite and Postgres. CLI tools with argparse and typer. Environment variables. Hashing and password security. Flask and Fast API for the web. Automation, scheduling, email, and SMS. And the Capstone, one real production app using every layer at once. Typed, tested, logged, async where it mattered. Nothing theoretical about it. That is the complete picture, top to bottom. Now your turn. This list is long, but Python is bigger than any one series. If there's a topic we missed or a real problem you're stuck on, comment it. Not just more Python, the actual topic or the actual error you are hitting. I read every comment on this channel myself. If enough of you ask for the same thing, it becomes the next video. This series was built the same way, from what people actually wanted to learn. So, what's missing? Tell me below. So what happens now that Python is done? Remember the channel name, CodeToAGI. This was never the destination. Python was the toolbox. The next series is where we start building with it. Machine learning from scratch, the real math, not just imported functions. Then deep learning neural networks built and trained piece by piece. And after that, agentic AI. Systems that plan, use tools, and act on their own. Every decorator, every async pattern, every clean code habit from this series carries forward. None of what you just learned gets thrown away. It becomes the foundation. 72 episodes, 0 shortcuts, and you made it through all of them. Thank you for learning Python with me, one episode at a time. Comment the topic you want next. I will actually check it. Subscribe, the next series starts soon, same channel.
I'm Majas.
This was Python. See you in what comes next.